Hi there, Ronan here, and for over 2 decades I've been full-time traveling, investing in real estate and figuring out stunningly beautiful international destinations. And nowhere is closer to my heart than Cabo. It's the place where I personally own more real estate than anywhere else on my beat. It is the place I choose to physically put myself for those winter months. And I think pictures can tell this story a lot better than I can. So I'd just like to play a video essay on Cabo my team put together. Enjoy it and let me know in the comments afterwards what your Cabo experience has been. Thumbs up, thumbs down for Cabo. Have you invested there? Do you live there? Do you spend time there? Tell us in the comments.